I have the last of the bacon, the 3 bacon slices, the cheese, and the eggs, and the maple syrup. And I've never experienced an egg that doesn't really want to stick with the rest of them, but that would be this one. So, didn't turn out, it was supposed to be all together on top of the bacon, but it didn't turn out that way. But anyways, that egg's just about cooked. Let's put this on the plate. Alright, and we can just try to get the bacon down first, so it's the way I wanted it. Oh, nice catch. There, now that's on there. Beauty. So, there it is. Huh, interesting looking. Cheese, egg, bacon, maple syrup.